Have you ever thought when you drop a ball from a certain height, it falls downward towards the ground? So let's come along and explain this concept in three simple steps. First, you can see a ball at a certain height from the ground. So when you release this, it just falls towards the ground. So this is the gravity, the invisible force that pulls everything down towards the earth. But wait, you must be thinking that after hitting the ground, why doesn't the ball just stay on the ground? That's because of inertia, which means that an object in motion wants to keep moving. So that's why when the ball hits the ground, it presses down a little, then pushes back up, making it bounce. But notice something, each bounce gets smaller. That's because some of the ball's energy is lost as heat and sound when it hits the ground. So gradually all the energy is gone and ultimately the ball stops moving and comes to a rest position. To sum up, gravity pulls the ball down, inertia keeps it moving, and the energy lost due to hitting with the ground makes the ball stop. Right?